Riven.
How do you know?
Because it's the name of an age in the game.
Does it say it in the game?
The characters say it, yeah.
Oh, okay. That's all I needed to know. I was trying to look where it was made. It didn't really give me that. It said North America release, and then this release. Wikipedia, you failed me. You don't quite have enough viewers to do Twitchipedia.
Twitchipedia.
Twitchipedia is effective. Snatchy
And awesome.
Fireball, and we're in chat, and we're like, Chat gave us the number for Pikachu. Near instantly.
Because that's important to know.
Yes.
It was an example, something that no one should actually know off the top of their head. They did, or either that, or they Googled it fast enough that we didn't have to. The only difference between Wikipedia and Twitchpedia is that it's voice activated.
Next time you stream, I'm about to ask Twitchipedia how many times I've had to roll back the server because of swearing derps.
We can just check the highlights with that. Twice!
Yes, chat, I am looking forward to Abduction, which is Cyan's next Myst-like puzzle game.
Oh. Okay, I'm glad I got context with that. I am looking to Abduction. Yes!
Chat asks.
Let's do it now! Either you're wanting to abduct someone or you're wanting to be abducted. But
Alright, so I'm trying to force it to process the message locally as well as on the server.
that would be nice.
That would be very nice.
It's the auditory! Reps.
Oh,
How far in Assassin's
that's a
Creed
large
are you
portion
now?
of why right there, because I was using the wrong text.
Oh.
I was using the text it was.
Why aren't you setting? Because I'm not setting.
Because you're making me go back. Very good.
How far are you in Assassin's Creed now?
I've completed Brotherhood.
Okay. Have you gotten past Revolutions?
I haven't yet started Revelations.
Oh. When you get to the fourth one so we can play multiplayer. I like to feel comfortable playing that multiplayer now. There's no story elements in multiplayer.
Alright, so...
But your Revelation multiplayer in fourth isn't that different. Yeah, I haven't played the first one either, and I don't think I ever will because I saw XComp play it and you couldn't air assassinate. You couldn't dual assassinate, so it was just dead to me.
Dual assassination, air assassination, and assassinate from hiding were all added in the next game.
Yeah. In order for XComp to hide, though, I did watch him go onto a rooftop right next to a guard and immediately start praying.
Yes, and it works!
Because well, then he hit you with a sword. Because he kind of ran into him. You were trying to assassinate him, but you didn't have a controller, so...
Yeah. Basically, you can't play the first one without a controller, and I don't know if I recommend playing the other ones without a controller. The game's fun with a controller, though.
Yeah. Oh, it was ours. Whack! I'll pray for you. I apologize for my sins. I did not mean to hit you. I meant to actually assassinate you. Had he actually pushed him far enough, he would have fallen off the roof. Which, again, would have been funnier. Where is the assassinate button? Well, that works.
Okay. So this should fix this.
But when you play Revelations, you do 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 do. A little more staccato, but yes. On your doodaloos there.
My doodaloos need more staccato.
Yes.
Alright, there's some synchronization issue with that. Aw, why can't I?
Synchronization, come on! Wow.
That fit pretty well.
I noticed. I think he should actually add 2 mobs into this mod he has here for 2 brothers lying to each player. All he would have to do is take our voices.
Yeah.
We can keep that pretty
Bring me
well.
Blue pages.
I would just need to actually watch them speak a little bit to figure out how they verse. Or I could just put Gollum. Precious, precious, sun kiss.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to work a bit on getting this to synchronize properly. Because the moment if I type, then it,
Dances.
kind of has some synchronization issues. Bouncing the text back and forth between the client and the server makes things weird. I've never had a good fix for this, and previously I had a hack fix for this, so I'm gonna have to try and fix it for you.
Was it Israel remote?
No. It was basically, if player is typing, don't pull text from container. Which is weird.
Ribbon works in Scum VM? Really?
A lot of things work in Scum VM. Including, the old Humongous Entertainment games. Putt Putt,
Oh, I knew that one.
Spy Fox.
I know, I played those. I don't know if I kept them on the phone or not when I gave it to you.
Yeah. You didn't, but I've recently played Pajama Sam on the phone.
Yeah.
I was just like, this is fun.
Ham and cheese I played so much of with that phone.
Yep.
I don't even know why, it was basically just checkers.
Do you know cheese and crackers? Yes! I played it with a toaster in the park. It's okay.
Right. The maker of this game was clearly on a few drugs. In order to say that with a straight face. Or no, whoever the voice actor was. Maybe you and I should make a mod called The Dig.
The Dig. Yeah, that'd be fun. I think we had a lot of fun making The Dig.
I need to ask Asnor, make sure he's not actually using the sound files from The Dig for his crystals. I'm fairly certain that's not okay to do. It being a LucasArts game and all. I have no idea. But I can make the aesthetics extremely well.
Alright, well,
Don't you yawn.
sorry.
I may have done that all yesterday during streaming, because I didn't sleep before that last exam. But, you know, whatever.
I can't spell, apparently.
What were you trying to spell?
Synchronization. In my defense, it is a difficult word to spell.
To say when you're tired. Alright, let me know when you try to spell height.
I can spell it.
Dang. I was really hoping you'd type. I don't even know how I got that, because if you shift your fingers over, second letter in height is E, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how did I hit the E in Jadoosh?
Oh. Alright. I think I may call that, good for now.
Oh, okay, just copy this, there we go.
Nice.
I think it was something different not too long ago, I'm not sure. I found yesterday that I can actually yawn on demand.
Nope, yeah. It's easy.
I want to yawn.
You know, I found out that I can actually cry on demand. Like real
That's
tears and
impressive.
stuff. Yes, I use that all the time, too.
I had to
No.
yawn a couple times and then I could. I haven't been able to do that since the LASIK eye surgeries. Go, car, go.
Alright. Well, I think that's it for me for tonight.
Nope.
No?
Nope, you must keep going.
But
Sorry.
but it's nearly midnight, and I'm tired.
And? He has not watched one of my streams, has he, Fireball?
And I've been up late every night recently, and up early most mornings, because practice, and I have rehearsals tomorrow.
I have
The best
practice
one
too.
I can think of is when Soren did that Skyblock factory. I have to do stuff in the morning, so I'm only going to be here for a few hours.
Well, I didn't have to do
24
anything, but it
hours
was more
later.
like
I know.
24-hour streams. Like, I'm only going to stay here for maybe 4 hours. So 12 hours later, look at the clock. It's like, I can't tell time. I feel like the guy in the ASDF movie. I have no idea how to read.
I remember I went to bed, came back 2 hours before the 24-hour stream is over. Soren's still on
I
streaming.
failed! I failed! I can't tell time. I can't read. But I actually felt like the guy, I have no idea how to breathe. Just I have no idea how to tell time.
Ugh. It's alright, I keep yawning.
Stanford Silent, yeah, that was it. And we're actually doing that again for Mine Charity stream. Mining for Charity. Every Saturday this month. You should go watch sometime. That's 2 XComp.
The mining for charity thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, it would be. It starts at 10 o'clock for you, so.
Okay. Well. Shut that down. The main thing I need to do here is fix this. Because currently, it goes break. Yes, it goes break.
Playing most games with the trackpad is really hard and annoying.
Mm-hmm.
I say Assassin's Creed is the best one ever. Especially when the trackpad is disabled when you start typing something. Can't play Minecraft at all. And with the teapot short and stout, here's my candle, here's my spout. If you tip me over, I'll knock you out.
Wow.
I don't like being tipped over, okay? I like staying upright. So I'm just going over pushing me over. That's just rude.
Such violence.
Much wow.
He's very violent.
Yo. I'm cute and cuddly.
And violent.
I don't know if I'd go that far
I'm
about the cute and
fluffy.
cuddly.
I'm Stitch. We'll go with that. Yeah, Dad.
Oh, I wanted to surprise your brother.
Hello.
Why you always have to spoil my surprises, Soren?
He does that.
Well, I heard Buddy entered your channel, so I just looked over. It's just right in front of me. Alright. Do it again. He won't notice.
I'm pretty tired. I might be confused.
Hi, XComp.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. I have mimosas.
You has what?
Mimosas.
Mimosas.
Oh. Well, goody.
Today is Italian Fest Day in parts of Dallas, which means
Oh.
they drinks, food, chefs teaching you Italian cooking stuff, etc. So I bought the ingredients for mimosas because, when given the choice between buying the ingredients to make lasagna or buy the ingredients to make mimosas, I go with the alcohol.
Yeah. Sounds like you.
I got the ingredients for the lasagna too.
Be garlic bread.
Actually, I had fun. I was swapping my recipe with the chef's recipe because I have a rather unique recipe for lasagna.
Were you sharing, or did you actually go to the chef's cooking area and really just switch them out like Indiana Jones style and walk out?
Well, sharing. I told him my recipe and he shared his recipe.
Soren made it slightly more epic in his head. He was thinking about...
You go into the chef's cooking area and you just switch the recipes, he doesn't notice, and walk away.
That's not how it works.
It's something straight out of your classic adventure game, though. Go in, swap the recipe, get the chef to reference the recipe, and go, oh, I'm doing this wrong. Change what he's doing, and you solve the puzzle.
The
I don't remember.
most chefs
I'm sure it was a Monkey Island
actually
game, though.
work from a recipe. Usually, a handful of this, a pinch of that.
Yes.
This to taste. His tomato sauce is a bit better than mine, but my sausage recipe is better than his.
Okay.
So we swapped.
Yeah.
Was it Monkey Island or David Tentacle? No, it's not either.
XComp, I'm waiting for your stream to start complaining that we make them hungry.
Well, you're making me hungry, so yeah.
Well, on the way home, I'm probably going to eat Wendy's, so...
Shakes
I ate
fist.
Chick-fil-A every day this week. Something you can't have. Ha!
Okay, now Chad is talking about Indian food, and now I want either coconut chicken or... what's the one I usually get?
Yeah, I remember he's so hungry.
Yes, I'm so hungry, I can't remember the name of the food. Just give it to me. I don't remember what it's called. Chicken korma? That sounds right.
Hey, wake up.
Yeah. Anyway. I'm probably going to have to get something to eat now. Thanks, guys.
So, how's it going on the performance improvements? Not that I totally tell everybody they needed to vote for that one.
Oh, okay, I was wondering why that had so many votes. Well, I made significant improvements to the amount of memory consumption Mystcraft was doing, and that Mystcraft will no longer create so many objects.
Good.
Everybody loves Mystcraft, but it's kind of a known fact that putting Mystcraft in a mod pack doubles the memory consumption.
Yeah, that's fixed now.
Yep.
Good!
Fix that.
But yes, I may have waged a campaign to get everybody to vote that you fix that first before adding nifty new features. Because we want the nifty new features too, though. We just want to be able to use them without having a dedicated server.
I was
Alright.
on my phone. I clicked the link. It's like...
We
check
were
boxes.
also looking for a check mark for XComp will kick his brother to get Zycraft out.
It wasn't on my
He
to-do
might
list,
try,
sorry.
And then his foot might be hurt in mere moments.
He has a pretty
I've
bony
seen
butt.
You, Soren. You're like tiny. A kick would break you.
I'm bony. It will hurt him because he's equally bony.
Like I said, he has a pretty bony butt.
And I play soccer longer than he did, so I could probably kick that much harder.
Okay, I'll send you a bat, XComp.
I'll just use the food argument. Mom won't make you any food while in Finland if you hit me with that.
Yeah.
Or I can just keep teasing you about, code, Soren. Yeah, you're going to have to release Zycraft, or I'm going to keep on, annoying you.
Oh,
What you
dear.
should do is go and replicate Zycraft and beat him to the punch.
Nah, I don't need to do that. I already have more code in 1.6 than he does.
Just call it Project Zycraft?
No, because then he'd sue me. I'm not going to be stealing stuff. That's just silly. I just rewrite the whole thing from scratch in like a month and have it done.
Yeah, that's what I'm suggesting.
Yeah, right.
It won't look the same.
Irrelevant.
Just do it for Mod Jam 4. It's coming up next week.
Yeah.
You can't use those multi-parts.
What did you do with other multiparts?
Unfortunately, there's the whole problem of I already have a mod I'm working on that I probably ought to get around to finishing, and unfortunately, this little thing occurred wherein I was silly enough to release a pack at the end of 1.6 that I didn't think anybody would want to play, and everybody's playing it. And so now I have to actually make sure the pack is stable.
Right, so you have other things to tend to. Right?
Yeah, taking up a lot of my time.
So
for some
you
unknown reason.
understand.
No, because you don't have other things to tend to.
School. 18 credit hours worth every semester.
And what's your
And
point?
yet you stream all the time.
Yes. I
I
need
mean,
some
I'm not sure
realization.
what your point is. I mean, I got my first bachelor's in 6 months. What's taking you so long?
That'll be about the same amount of time.
Well, if you were getting your bachelor's in 6 months, you should be done by now.
No, I
And back to
only had
Minecraft.
4 semesters down.
Go back to Zycraft. It's much more important than school.
No.
No.
And now your brother is
unfortunately
going
not.
to stab me.
Please do.
I don't have to. He knows.
I find school much more important
Actually, it
than
really
most things.
depends.
My
It actually
chat has
really
pointed
depends
out
on
that
what you're going to
somebody
school
was
for.
commenting on, instead of Project Zycraft, Project Jadedcraft.
It would just be flying creepers everywhere.
Yes, somebody said that
And
Project
hunger
Jadedcraft
overhaul
sounds like it
everywhere,
adds
too.
something evil, like flying creeper swarms.
You wouldn't need to hunger overhaul anymore then.
Oh, that's right.
No, I
I've got to ask Ryan if Prog can update Hunger Overhaul for us.
I'm fairly certain Project Jadecraft is just Agrarian Skies.
Yeah.
You know, Agrarian Skies was just supposed to be a fun map for me and Skyboy and Zeldo to play on, right? Nobody else was ever supposed to play the damn thing.
Yeah, but
And
Skyblock
yet,
is fun.
it has become one of the best thus far, so
It has
congratulations on
quests.
that.
And funness.
Yeah, I just get scared because the server hosts have been showing their lists, and it's like the top thing on the installs, and it's like, you guys realize it still has bugs, right? I still have to fix bugs. There's bugs to fix.
Carrot juice. I keep calling it fruit juice, but man, I love that stuff.
The,
I'm not even worried about nerfing at this point. I just need to fix some
I'm
bugs.
glad. Oh, thank goodness. I couldn't survive
No,
without carrot
I know the feeling on, there's bugs! There's bugs. Yeah, I make a mod, there's bugs.
juice.
Well,
And
well,
bugs on the wall.
there's like there's 2 crash bugs that are really annoying. And then there's the number of end users who don't pay attention to the fact that if they lose all their lives, their world gets deleted, and they keep reporting that as a bug, because sometimes vanilla crashes when their world gets deleted. I don't know why, but sometimes it does. And they're like, the crash deleted my world. No, you lost all your lives, which deleted your world, which caused your game to crash. These aren't actually the same thing.
Out
Yeah.
of curiosity, though, when you use a blood magic tool and it takes away 50 life points, are you supposed to lose 5 lives? Was that intended?
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure, because I couldn't respawn, but I did lose the 5 lives.
Yep. That is what's
That's-
supposed to occur. That's why you should have a
Straight-
fully charged blood network. Like, my
Yeah.
blood network has like 10 million life points in it, so I can
Playing
use the tools
Fireball
all I
for
want.
I was
Took
like,
a lot
I need a
of
pickaxe.
villager sacrifices.
Yeah, I didn't know what blood magic was at all. I guess I should stay away from the things that look like red matter tools.
I don't know how you can blame me for that, by the way.
It was in your AA system, you told me to take whatever.
It was a reward bag from Jaded. From one of
I
her
still blame
reward
you,
bags.
though, for giving it to me.
I
The
didn't
funny
give it to
part
you guys
is-
to take whatever
what-
you want.
Way actually got one and used it, forgetting how he had coded it.
Yeah.
Well, it wouldn't be so
always-
bad.
And it's always so funny when I get the mod authors with the things that they coded.
Right.
Yeah.
This makes me giggle.
Well,
The
I
fun
was
was
earlier
the
trying to
bad
go,
part.
like, trying to build a book and going, I don't remember how to do this.
I didn't mind losing the 5 lives. The thing was, I was trying to deactivate the thing, and I took out half our base.
Yeah, I
It
was reading
crashed the
the
server,
crash
too.
log. I was like, oh, that's weird. It's an error from AE.
Oh crap.
And Soren's like,
Oh,
his
dear.
face just goes white. He's like, oh no.
Right. Our base is gone, isn't it? We rolled back, but I don't need the lies back. We have them sitting up on the wall in dry racks. Take
Should
one
make it
down.
if the heart is put in a drying rack, it turns it into a rotten heart.
No. Make it useless. Make it not flashy anymore. No more enchanted effects. I have plans for those hearts. Hopefully not to use them. Do some pixel art with them.
Alright.
XComp, if you have the code for Mystcraft, build it and hide it on the internet. Two of those things don't make sense.
Nope.
One, he doesn't have access till the summer. Two, hide it on the internet? I see what you're trying to do there. No.
Well, technically, it's already hidden on the internet.
I know. XComp's not allowed.
Nope.
That part is copyright. Actually, in my license.
What? Really? You have that in your license?
No distribution of code.
Oh, I thought you said. I thought it was like no, XComp. can't
XComp's
have
not
it or
allowed to
something.
compile it.
XComp, no touchy.
No touchy.
It
No touch.
wasn't in my license, but
It's gonna be.
nah, I can add that because then I have to add just kidding to it, and then I don't know where that would imply in legal terms. Did you just need to XComp or to everyone? What does the just kidding imply?
So, Soren, is it bugging you at least in a little bit to know what Pahamar might have done to your Skyblock?
Eh.
Aw.
Somebody in chat's pointed out something kind of amusing about my current task.
Yeah.
My current task is interface, fix synchronization of text box. It's scrolling by in a text box.
Very slowly, I might add. You should change
very
it to probably
slowly.
64.
Okay.
Is once it gets to the point where it's wrapping rounds, I can't read it.
Yep.
Enter. Wait, okay.
Anyway, it is wonderful to see you back, XComp.
Thank you.
Mystcraft needs more purple.
I over the summer that may happen.
It might. It might
Why is,
indeed.
why is every block purple, Soren?
Because Soren.
I may have cracked open the code a little on his computer while he was sleeping.
Okay. So...
You didn't find my Mystcraft. You found a 147 oddity that is completely changed now. That someone forked before it was removed.
Mm-hmm.
I can't post an issue. I don't know how to private message anybody on GitHub.
Alright, so...
Ironically, most of the aspects in that build are missing everything. How do I email them?
Okay. It works now. Synchronization fixed. Woo. Okay, that's nice. I no longer have to fix that now. It's fixed. Okay, yes, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'm saying things like, I don't have to fix it now, it's fixed.
I have stuff to do. What kind of stuff? Stuff!
Stuff!
It's more stuff! I don't know.
So when are your exams? Well, I had one on Monday.
How many more do you have? Let's not
Well,
do
I
that
had
yet.
one on Monday.
No, it was even better than that. What's your math exam? Well, Friday's my science exam. Okay. When's your math exam? I've already had one. Let's try this one more time. When's your math exam? Oh, I don't know. What?
Yeah.
But I proceeded I'm in the back of the car laying down. We're going to school. I'm somewhat sleeping, but so what'd you have for breakfast? Well, Tuesday I had toast. Monday I had pancakes. What'd you have for breakfast? Oh, I don't know. I can't remember. It was terrible. He can't answer questions you ask him. What's your name? Well, his name is Fireball. What?
Yeah. No, I'm better than that now. I'm not denying I was terrible before.
Yeah, you silly. We still remember. I was being, I don't know. Oh, he clearly wasn't being XComp, he was being, I don't know. Alright, I should probably go because Dad will be here in about 40 minutes. And I need to clean just a little more.
Okay.
Oh!
See you later, Soren.
Night.
Shamu said he'll be right back, but his right back is long.
It is. He said that a long time ago.
He
too.
said that an hour ago. Abu!
Just poke him a bunch.
I did! Poke, poke. There we go. I poked him in the log. Soren sounds unconvinced by this. I wonder why. Stop. No.
Oh, he said no.
I can't. I'm a helicopter. Chop, smash, pew. Dum. Bottle. There's bottle over here.
Okay. Well,
One
I'm
more
done.
thing. I don't drink coffee either. I handed the XComp without the cup.
yeah.
Alright,
No.
I will see you guys later.
See ya.
Good night, goodbye. Good luck with cleaning.
Yep.
I'm going to bed now.
Alright, have a good night.
Good night. It was fun. Thanks for joining me, stream. And I will see you on Friday.